Greetings to all. I am Mashhood Anjum. So today I am going to tell you what is Transcendentalism and what are the main important points related to the movement Transcendentalism and what are the important authors related to the movement Transcendentalism. So, Transcendentalism is an American literary, political, and philosophical movement first started in the early 19th century by Ralph Waldo Emerson and other persons are Ralph Waldo Emerson is here, Henry David Thoreau is here, and Margaret Fuller is here. And the idea of transcendentalism, first given by Immanuel Kant, and Emerson has derived the idea of transcendentalism from the writings of Immanuel Kant. And basically what they say in transcendentalism, so the transcendentalists, they had protested against the general state of intellectualism and spirituality, and they believed in the inherent goodness of uh, both people and in nature. They believe inherent goodness of both in people and in nature. So Emerson has written different essays, especially with reference to transcendentalism, and he has written an essay on nature, and in which he says every individual has a universal soul. And further, he says nature is composed of two things, nature and the soul. You are part of nature, therefore, you are part of God. And you commune with God, you commune with nature, you are communing with God. And does not God does not exist separately from the society. God does not exist separately from the world or from you. So, in simple words, they say God is present everywhere in the society, God is present everywhere in the world, and God is present everywhere in the nature, and you are also part of nature. So, in simple words, they believe in individuality, they believe in nature, especially in positive nature, and they believe in self. So Emerson has also written an essay on self reliance, and in which he says self is everything for a person, especially with reference to the concept of individuality, and they want independent approach with reference to a person, especially a person is also part of nature. So that is the main reason behind it. So they are very close to romantics, including William Wordsworth, like St. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and so on. So, this is all about the movement Transcendentalism. So, again, I repeat, they had protested against the general state of intellectualism and spirituality. They believed in the inherent goodness, both in people as well as in nature. So I hope you people got it well. So in my next video, in my next lecture, I will discuss what is American dream. Thank you.